Good morning, viewers. This is Nyansaport Media, and we are live here in KNUST at the Great Hall for the maiden edition of the Vice Chancellor Student Excellence Awards. And we have here Miss Deborah. She is the Vice President for KNUST, and she was also the moderator, and she is a member of the planning committee for this great event. So, Miss Deborah, yes, good morning again.
Good morning.
I wanted to ask, what has been your impressions on this program? You were part of the planning committee. How has it been? Tell us, how has it been?
I would say it's been an exciting event. It's been very successful. I mean, planning into this event made me feel like, are people going to turn up and everything? I mean, a lot went into it. So
Yes.
First of all, kudos to the planning committee. It was a job very well done. And I mean, you can see the success of the event. I mean, the results of everything we did. The Vice Chancellor's decision to honor students has been very fruitful, and I'm just excited to be part of the awardees.
Yes, and that has been Miss Deborah, Vice President, and this is Nyansaport Media, and I have been your host, Hilda Sichope Afuabubu. Thank you.